Hello friends, welcome to my channel PC Savior. In this video, we are gonna fix the issue of NVIDIA Control Panel and GeForce Experience. Both are not opening. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this. You can see my one GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel is working properly. So I will give you a detailed guide on it. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to come to Control Panel and come to uninstall a program, and here you will see NVIDIA Control Panel, NVIDIA GeForce Experience and all other software related to it. So you will click on everyone one by one and uninstall all of these, and you will uninstall it. So I am not uninstalling it, I am just giving you a detailed guide. So you will uninstall it one by one, the whole. It will require 2 to 3 times restart in this uninstalling it. So you have to restart your PC must. After restarting your PC and uninstalling all these software of NVIDIA from Control Panel, then you have to come to C drive where you have your window installed, and then you will have uninstalled the folders of this NVIDIA, so that if we reinstall the NVIDIA driver to our graphic card, so that it works properly. So you have to come to C drive and open program files and delete the NVIDIA folder from here. Okay, so my one is open, so that's why it's not deleting. So your one will delete easily. Okay, so now you have come to program files, and you will also delete the NVIDIA Corporation file from here, and then come to views, and your one hidden will be unchecked. You come check hidden, so your this folder will be shown. Come to this and delete NVIDIA and NVIDIA Corporation, both of these files. Then come back and type here in search bar person app data person, and then enter it and come back to app data. Okay, then click roaming and delete the NVIDIA folder from here. Okay, then come back and then local and delete also NVIDIA folder from here. Then come back and come to local and delete NVIDIA Corporation, both file from here. Okay, now you have to restart your PC again, so that all files are deleted from the PC, and you have to empty your recycle bin. So after restarting your PC, first of all you have to check that there is no any app opening in background. For example, my one Bluetooth, it is open, it's cause no issue. So I have to disable all the background and quit all the background programs from here, as I am doing. So these 2-3 are my important, so I am not quitting it. So you have to remove all the background program running in the background. Now come to your folder where you have downloaded your NVIDIA graphic card driver. So I am showing you, you have to come here and open your NVIDIA driver, run as administrator, open it. Okay, and that is simple process. After this you have to click next. After that the bar will come, and then you have check GeForce and driver both. I want to install both, so you have to click that, and in last there will be a check option, GeForce Experience icon on desktop, and another will be launch NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So you have to check those both and close. So your GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel both will be work properly and will be open. So if you find this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos and issue solving videos. Thanks for watching.